Morning children, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to start chapter 16, solid shapes. So children, in class 1 you have already learned about the solid shapes: cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. Now we'll learn more about the other shapes. So let's see the cuboid first. So this is a shoebox, then brick, then a gift wrap. So we'll do exercise 16.1. So which one of the following are in shape of a cuboid? Color them. So yes children, yes, A, B, G and H. So color all these cuboid. Now tick the objects in the shape of a cuboid. So let's see. Yes, this is a book. Yes, this one and this one. Good. So faces, edges and corners of a cuboid. So let us find out the faces in a cuboid. So a cuboid, it has a top face, a bottom face and 4 walls. So this is a top face, bottom and it has 4 walls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So see again. So we can say the cuboid has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and front one is 6. Okay. So let us find the number of edges in a cuboid. See here, the top face, it has 4 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the bottom face, it also has 4 edges. So there are 4 vertical edges. So number of edges is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 4. It equals to 12. So we can say that cuboid, it has 12 edges. And all edges of cuboid, they are not equal. So let us find the number of corners in a cuboid. So the top face, it has 4 corners. A, B, C, D. And the bottom face, it also has 4 corners. E, F, G, H. So we can say that it has 4 corners. And 3 edges, they meet at each corner. So we can say that a cuboid, it has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. And all edges of a cuboid are not equal. 3 edges meet at each corner. So let's do exercise 16.2. Shade the top and bottom faces of the following cuboids. Children, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. So shade it, okay? Now shade the walls of the following cuboids in pairs as shown. So in this, children, see, you have to shade the walls are in pairs. So in this box, this side is shaded, in this box this side. Okay. Similarly here also this one and this one. Then here this one, again this one, and in this you can go for this. Okay. Now this one and this one. Good. Now mark the edges of the following cuboid. So you have to mark the edges of the particular cuboid. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So mark the corners of the following cuboids. Yes. Corners. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Okay? Now mark the edges of the following cuboids meeting at corner P. So here 1, 2 and 3. Okay? So these are the three corners which meet at P. So 1, 2 and 3. So do other sums. Okay? Now fill in the blanks. So a cuboid has how many faces? Yes, it has 6 faces. A cuboid has how many edges? 12 edges. Okay, so do rest of the sum yourself. Now come to the cube. So here, this is a cube. This is a cube, and this is also a cube. So which of the following are in a shape of a cube and color them? So children, find out. Yes, this one is a cube. Okay. And this is also a cube. So color these things. Now take the objects in the shape of a cube. So children, which one is a cube? Yes, this is a cube. So take another cubes also. Faces, edges and corners of a cube. So let us find the faces of in a cube. So what do we do when we toss a dice? What will we find? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we cannot get anything else. Why? Because it has 6 faces. Okay, it has 6 faces. So a cube has 6 faces. Okay, 1 face, 2 face, 3 face, 4 face, 5 face, 6 face. Okay, so let's find the number of the cube, edges in the cube. So it has 4 edges at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it has 4 edges at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and 4 vertical edges. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has 12 edges. So all edges in a cube, they are equal in length. So let's find the number of corners in a cube. So it has 4 corners at the top. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So, and 3 edges, they meet at each corner. So we can say that a cube, it has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. And all edges of a cube, they are equal in length. And 3 edges, they meet at each corner. So let's do exercise 16.4. Shade the top and bottom faces of the following cubes. Okay, so like you have done in cuboid, similarly do here also. Top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. So color all these faces of top and bottom. Okay, rest of the exercise we'll do in our next class. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.